Daniel Serafini did get emotional at times on the stand, especially when it came down to reviewing a family photo. But for the most part, his testimony did focus on what he believes negatively impacted his case. On Monday, a Placer County Superior Judge allowed Daniel Serafini to take the stand to testify about his dealings with former attorneys David Dratman and David Fisher. His current defense attorney, Barry Zimmerman, is asking for a new trial, claiming Serafini did not receive effective counsel. Now, Zimmerman told the court that Serafini had paid his attorneys hundreds of thousands of dollars, yet they did not call a single witness. He claims they failed to follow up on certain evidence, experts, and witness accounts, and that they did not present what the defense says was an alibi for Serafini's whereabouts on the day of the shooting. Serafini testified that he had discussed his alibi and potential witnesses with his attorneys and says his counsel did not inform him that a trial date had been set. He also testified that he expressed concerns about the process taking too long and that his attorneys said they needed more time to gather witnesses and experts. The defense also questioned Serafini about a voicemail he says was left by Wendy Wood to Daniel Serafini. Now, both the judge and prosecutor said this voicemail was brand new information to them. The prosecutor initially opposed the new trial motion, saying he needed more time to review a large volume of documents, but agreed to have Serafini testifying today. As we recall, the defense rested its case last June in a surprising move without calling any witnesses. The prosecution has argued that money and family tensions were the motive behind the shooting. On the stand, Serafini confirmed he had business dealings with his in-laws, but said he provided documents to his attorneys that he claims contradict that theory. Zimmerman also told the court that Serafini wanted to testify during his trial, but was advised by his former counsel that it was, quote, not a good idea. Serafini's wife, Erin Spohr, was in the courtroom, but was asked to step out because she may be called as a potential witness. Serafini will be back in this courthouse to finish his testimony on February 2nd at 1:30 p.m. For now, reporting in Auburn, covering local news that matters, Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.